Welcome to Bright Kids World.
Today, we're learning fun facts about elephants. Did you know elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth? Elephants use their long trunks to eat food and drink water like a super straw. Baby elephants are called calves, and they can weigh 100 kilograms at birth. Elephants are very emotional. They hug each other using their trunks. They have amazing memories. That's why people say elephants never forget.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.